So once you have logged into your blog, this is the first page you are going to see. So you navigate to this menu if you want, these three lines here. If you want, you click on posts, but if you do not want to take that protocol or process, you click on this plus sign here. So as you can see post here, so you click on post. We are going to be uploading. So make sure before you do this, your content is ready. So I'll paste. This is my content. So make sure your content is ready and properly edited. So that is my title. So I'll leave this one like this. So I'll create a space for image. I'll be adding image here. So we are going to add image here, but I'll come back to that. Let's format. So I'll put this in. So I'll put this in headline, in heading. So I click here. I'll use heading 2. Then the introduction supposed to be in heading. Introduction, body, and conclusion. So here, heading 2. So we'll move on to here. So heading 2. Heading 2. The same thing here. Now the next thing we are going to do here is to insert links. Okay, we have to insert similar links. So we are going to start from here. Links that we are recommended to people to click on, or links previous blog post. So I will write also see more, also see. All right, also see. Okay. So I'll put it in bold. So I'll put link. So here are similar posts. So which one do I think that is related to this? This is related to it, so I will add it. I'll move down to this place. I'll paste again. So I'll add another link. I'll type the name of the blog so I can see recent post I made. Okay, I'll add this one. This is how I'll continue. So I can get, I'll type income so I can get similar post under income. Okay. So we are done. So we are going to choose category. We are not done, no, we still go back. So I'm going to choose 3 categories: digital skills and 3 make money. So I'm done with the 3. See my readability good, inclusive language good. So we are going to work on SEO. So make sure your content is up to 1,000 words or more than 1,000 words. This is 850, sorry. 850 as you're seeing the word count. So make sure yours is up to 1,000 or more. So we are going to add image. So we are going to add image next. Okay. No, we are going to add hashtags. Okay, what are the hashtags on the post? What are the hashtags? Okay, we start with passive income. Podcast, YouTube. So, okay, see the button is shareable. So here we are going to add featured image. So see library. I can import from my phone. Do I have image later? So I'll go to Google and get image because I don't have any one I design right now. So I'll paste the title of the content so I can get image that is related to it. Okay. So passive income, 19 passive income. So we are going to top passive income. So I'm going to be giving them credit. I'm giving them credit. So here we are going to upload. I'll go to file. So here we are. So this is interlinking. I've done it manually, so let me move on. So I talked about adding image, so I'll go back to this place. I'll add image here. So this is where I'm going to add. I will add art. Okay. So I'll add image credit. Which site did we get this from? Image credit. Okay. I'm not adding any description. If I want to add, I'll add, but I don't want to add, so I'll leave it open. So it's going to be at the center. Sure, Ma. So I'll leave it at the center and then insert into post. So here we are. So that is it. So now I'm going to work on the permalink. So I'll be removing the date. So I will leave it at, I will remove, actually I'll leave it at work. Okay. All right. Are you seeing the link now? Passive income ideas that work. I'm okay with it. So we go down. I have to pick some things here. Okay. I'll use some things from here. I don't want to be doing too much. So we are going to work on the SEO. The SEO enables it to rank on these search engines. So we are going to scroll down to this place. I'm going to input keyword. So I hope this one is not, does not exist. So here I will include the meta description I copied. Okay, we don't even have to do too much. See, it's already green. So I'll put except. This is the author. I'm going to leave it there. So are you seeing? Let me see if I can add. So you see everything is green. everything is green. So this is how I do my own SEO work. So make sure when you are uploading your own that this SEO is green, and if you follow all my process, you end all your checking all this. See, SEO good, readability good, inclusive language good. So what should I do next? I'll publish. Click on publish. So that is it. I'll click here to view.